Hello, and welcome back to Anatomy with Alex. I'll be your teacher here, teaching you what I learned from my college experiences at the University of Oregon. Today, we'll be going over the brain. Here's the cerebrum. We have the frontal lobe, central sulcus, precentral and postcentral gyruses, postcentral gyrus, and here, right in between both of these gyruses, the gyruses are the thicker part. The sulcuses are in between the thicker parts. The sulcuses divide the lobes in between each other. For example, this central sulcus is dividing the frontal lobe between the parietal lobe. This is the central sulcus. Frontal lobe, parietal lobe. And then here, this is called the parieto occipital sulcus. What do you think that divides? Divides the parietal and the occipital lobes between each other. Now, all in blue is defined as the cerebrum. As we move down into there are three different separate parts of the brain: cerebrum, the diencephalon, and the brainstem. This is the cerebrum, including the corpus callosum and the fornix and the septum pellucidum, which is in between here. This is the fornix. This is the corpus callosum. And this is bluest part, separating both lobes. It's the septum pellucidum of the brain. You know, you have two lobes of your brain, your artistic brain and your thinking brain. That is one of the dividers of both of those brains. Now, we'll move into the diencephalon, where you have your thalamus and other parts of your brain. Your thalamus is your relay station. Information goes from afferent signals all the way into your brain, and the thalamus sends it to the correct areas of your brain to relay it so that you understand the information it's receiving. Here's the thalamus. The interthalamic adhesion of the thalamus, which connects both of the brains. Right, thalamus. And interthalamic adhesion. It's adhesing the brains, both sides of the brains, because they're different. This is the hypothalamus. Its goal is to regulate hormonal control to the rest of the body. And then we also have the anterior commissure and posterior commissures. And we have the pineal gland, and we have the anterior and posterior pituitary gland. Thing that holds it, this thing that holds it, this arrow here, it's called the infundibulum. This line here is called the tuber cinereum. And this goes into the brainstem, which is the last thing we have. Oh, in our brainstem we have the midbrain, the pons, and the medulla oblongata. Our cerebellum. The pons, midbrain, and medulla oblongata. That's all we have for today. Thank you so much.